I'm going deep sea diving. Told me to take a seat and she's driving. So we got to get me in and be surrounded.
So in 2 weeks, he got comfortable enough to start welding on his own. And this is what I'm teaching in the welding and hip-hop apprentice program. I want you to be able to do everything in the field, from running equipment, from learning how to weld with whatever the techniques, the procedures that we're welding with, as far as MIG and stick, or MIG and flux core and stick, and also how to just run basic equipment like the iron workers and stuff like that, grinders. So that way you can be able to be self-sufficient, you know what I mean? And that's the goal, you want to be self-sufficient. You want to be able to get a bag anywhere, in any state. And that's what I want to teach you, how to get a bag anywhere you go. Hold on.